it going in there, super spy?
It's bad, man. I think she's up to about $1 million. I don't really like any of it.
Who's better than you? Hey, can I buy you an outfit?
He's really good at it.
No, you can't buy me anything. We hardly know each other.
Oh, ask me on a date?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Seriously? Right here in front of everybody?
Sure. It'd be real bad for me if you said no.
Uncle Shawn?
Yeah.
This is like a real important moment in your life.
Yeah, I think it is.
How are you gonna handle this, Ace?
Tell you how you're gonna handle it, son. Take a look at that tough little girl's face. Know what she's doing? She's letting her guard down just enough to let you know she cares about you. So how are you gonna handle that? You gotta decide right now what that means to you. And then, take a look at a screwball mother. Do yourself a favor and notice how she might be wonderful too.
You gonna leave me hanging or what?
And finally, trust me. Take a look at the expression on them two faces. You know what that is? Hope. Funny thing is, they could use just about exactly as much of it as you can. Shawn, if that little girl can let her guard down, why can't you?
Fine. It'd be okay with you if...
Okay,
Katy, I'd love to go on a date with you. Thanks for asking.
That's my boy.